Have you forgotten the password of the online banking service of Truist Bank and facing difficulty in resetting it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of the online banking service of Truist Bank. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.truist.com and hit enter. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Truist Bank. Now, at the top right side of the screen, you'll be able to see an option, Sign In. Click on it. After that, you'll be asked for your login details. Now, right below Sign In option, there is an option, Reset Password. Click on it. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to a new page. In order to reset your password, you first have to enter the email address associated with your account. So enter the email address that you had used while creating online banking account of Truist. After that, enter the last 5 digits of SSN, EIN or ITIN. Finally, enter the user ID of your account. Once you have entered all the details, click on Continue. After that, follow the other instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, be able to reset the password of the online banking service of Truist Bank. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Best. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.